And we are back. Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Minutes Code channel where I will be explaining the solution of every problem of Lead Code and Geeks for Geeks within less than 5 minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today's problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks is single number, which is an easy level problem and a very common interview problem as well. Okay, so let's find out what we will be given into this problem and what we have to do. So we will be given one array ARR of integer type, and what we have to do, we have to return the number which is coming odd number of times. Okay, and it is guaranteed that there will be only one number which is coming odd number of times, otherwise all will be coming even number of times. Okay, so here if you see one frequency is 2, which is even, and then 2's frequency is 3, which is odd. So odd frequency is 2, odd frequency number is 2, so I will return 2. Okay, similarly here you can see 8 even 6 7 7 6 6 1, so 1 is remaining which is odd, so I will return 1. Okay, all right. So I think the problem statement is pretty simple and it will be clear to you. Now let's move forward and try to implement the logic. So first logic which we can think is using a map. I will use a hash map and I will keep on updating the frequencies of all the elements, and at last I will check if any of the value is odd, so I will return that key. Okay, so this is a map solution using map, which is will be taking big O of n time complexity and big O of n space complexity as well. Okay, so both will be big O of n. Now can we do something in big O of 1 space time complexity, big O of 1 space and big O of n time complexity? So yeah, we can do it. If you know, there is a bitwise operation, that is XOR. Okay, so what does XOR means? XOR means that if two numbers are 1 1, so it will be 0, and similarly if there is 0 0, that will be also 0. But if the two pairs are unlike means 1 and 0, 1 XOR 0, that will be 1. Okay, all right. So this is the approach which we can take. So now you will be thinking 1 XOR 1 is 0, so how we will take it? Similarly, if you will see 2, I will be taking one integer initial answer, let's say, and it will be 0. I will be, let's say, taking XOR of all the numbers. So 1, it will come 1, and it's XOR with 1. So 1 1, what I told, it will be 0, because if same pairs are there, it will be 0. Same pair 1 1 0 0, it will be 0. Okay, so it is answer is correctly 0. Then there come 2. So 0 XOR 2 is what? 2, because both are not similar, so it will be 2. All right. Then again 2 is there, so 2 XOR 2 is what? 0. Again 0. Then 2 comes in, so it will be 2. Similarly, if you will be reading XOR and try to do some application, some dry run by it, you will find out that we can use XOR method here. Okay, so I will be doing XOR of all the numbers, and at last whatever will be remaining, that will be our answer. Okay, all right. So let me write the code for it then. Meanwhile, you can try to write the code by yourself as well. And if you love the solution explanation, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's see the code here. As I told, I will be taking int answer is equal to 0. I will be iterating over array using for each loop, and I will do something like answer XOR is equal to I. Similar, simple, very simple, and return answer at last. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's the use of XOR, which will make this problem that much small. Let's see if it is running properly or not. Yeah, it is getting accepted. The test cases and all the test cases are also accepted. So yeah, I've solved this problem, and it was my attempt one only. So I hope everyone have loved the solution. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and share your feedback to the comment section. And I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Till then, keep on coding and bye.